Oh, researching. There's so many ways to do it right and so many ways to do it wrong. Many of you, when you begin to research, all you do is you go into this Google box, your search engine, and you just type in the person's name or the topic that you're researching. And while that's a good place to start, sometimes you get information that you don't really want. Like, we don't want Wikipedia, we don't really want her Twitter account, we don't want her Facebook. We want some better resources. So sometimes one of the ways to do it, especially if it's somebody's name, we want to make sure we're getting the right person. So we're going to use quotation marks. Remember, you're going to put quotation marks around groups of words that you want together. So we wanted Hope Solo in her biography. We're going to put quotation marks around all of it and then press enter. And it's going to find information that has all three of those words together in a row. Now, if we wanted to make sure that we were getting Hope Solo, but we wanted to make sure that we're not getting information, if we put Hope Solo, we don't want to make sure that we got information about maybe like Han Solo. I put minus sign Han to make sure it's just about her and not about my favorite Star Wars character. Make sure you see how I put space in between there so that this isn't right next to there. That's going to end up with some weird information. Also, remember, if you want to get a specific domain, make sure you put a space between your information. So I'm going to put my quotation marks again around her name so we get the right person. Make sure you put a space, and then you could say, well, if you wanted a .edu, you could say .edu, and hopefully some information is going to come up from .edu. In this case, it doesn't look like there's very much from an education website from her, but maybe if we say .org, there's some organizations that have information about her. Or if we wanted a newspaper article about her, we could have that in there. And look, here's a New York Times article about her. Here's from a Philadelphia article. Here's from USA Today, 2 of them, ESPN, People Magazine. So even by putting in the type of article that you want to see, you will get information from that topic that you want. If you have any more questions about researching, make sure you ask.